Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to start Webull trading. First, download the Webull app from your App Store and begin the registration process. You'll need to provide some personal information and verify your identity using documents like a driver's license or passport. Once your identity is confirmed, you can link your bank account to easily deposit funds into your new Webull brokerage account. This initial setup is quick and straightforward, getting you ready to explore the platform. After setting up your account, the next step is funding it. You can deposit money using various methods, including ACH transfers, wire transfers, or by linking directly to your bank account. ACH transfers are common and usually take 1 to 3 business days to process. While there isn't a minimum deposit required to open a brokerage account, you'll need funds to start trading. Consider depositing at least $100 to begin exploring investment opportunities effectively. Now that your account is funded, you're ready to place your first trade. Use the search bar to find specific stocks or ETFs by their ticker symbol. Once you've selected an asset, you'll choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy or sell, review the details, and then confirm your order. It's that simple to start investing. Webull offers many powerful features beyond basic trading. Explore advanced charting tools and a wide range of technical indicators to help analyze market trends. You can also access real-time market data, breaking news feeds, and community discussions to stay informed. These resources are designed to help you make more informed trading decisions. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your home tidy while you focus on your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.